Hello, keyboard warriors. Are you having trouble with your trusty typing companion? If you're baffled about how to fix Anker keyboard issues, you've stumbled upon the right video. Anker keyboards are known for their reliability and efficiency, but every now and then you might face some hiccups. In this guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to troubleshoot and fix your Anker keyboard problems so you can get back to typing with ease. Step 1. Check connection. The first thing you want to do is check the connection. If you have a wireless Anker keyboard, ensure that the Bluetooth is enabled on your computer and that the keyboard is paired correctly. For wired keyboards, make sure the USB connection is secure. Try reinserting the USB plug or use a different port to see if the issue is resolved. Step 2. Replace or recharge batteries. For wireless Anker keyboards, dead or low batteries can disrupt performance. Replace the batteries with new ones or recharge if it's equipped with a rechargeable battery. Ensure that you're using the correct battery type as specified in your user manual. Step 3. Update drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers can cause your keyboard to malfunction. Go to the Anker official website or your computer's manufacturer's site. Download the latest drivers for your keyboard. Install them and restart your computer to see if that fixes the problem. Step 4. Clean your keyboard. Dust and debris can interfere with the key's function. Turn your keyboard upside down and gently shake to remove any loose particles. Use compressed air to blow out dust from between the keys. A simple wipe with a cloth, slightly dampened with a gentle cleaning solution, can also be beneficial. Step 5. Reset your keyboard. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, performing a reset may be necessary. For most Anker keyboards, you can reset them by holding down the escape and caps lock keys simultaneously for a few seconds until the indicator light blinks. Check your manual for specific reset instructions as they can vary between models. Step 6. Check for software interference. Sometimes software conflicts can cause your keyboard to behave erratically. Check your recently installed programs and updates. You may need to uninstall certain apps one by one to identify the culprit. Step 7. Contact Anker support. If your keyboard remains unresponsive after following these steps, it's time to call in the experts. Reach out to Anker's customer support for professional guidance. Have your model number and purchase details ready for faster service. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to fix Anker keyboard issues. Whether the problem lies in connectivity, power supply, or software, you're now equipped with the knowledge to tackle it head on. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent many issues, so keep your keyboard clean and updated. Should problems persist, Anker's customer service is just a call or click away. Thank you for tuning in, and here's to a smooth and efficient typing experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you next time.